Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again. Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation.
That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say, no good deed goes unpunished.
Howdy do. We're back on again. I did a bit more this afternoon after this morning's live stream, and did a bit, had to start all over again, but then I even got the size wrong. So anyway, we're carrying on with it now, so let's just do it. Okay, here we go. My icon was in the way then. Right, okay. So multi-use surface mount enclosure to 3D print. Right, here we go. I've got to get on with this. Try and get this finished. It's based on one that you can buy, but just so that we can match it, basically match it. Right, so I did a bit of a mistake. I got my size wrong here, so I've got to do a few checks. That's 77. Let's just get the ruler out. So what have we got? We've got 77. As far as damn it, probably 77.25, but anyway. Let's go width-wise 62. So I think the rim is okay. 63. Oh, I've got 63. Yeah, I've been swimming today. 63. I don't need 63. No, it's not 63. It's more like, that's it. It's probably 61.5. So I need to come in. I need to lose 1.5. Let's try and lose 1.5 from the width. Let's just make sure that we haven't. Oh, that's 5 mil. That's 5 mil. So 1.5. So we'll get rid of 1.5. Oops, let's get into it. So we need to come this way. Right. I forgot which one we're going to do now. Let's have a look again. So it's 63. We've got to lose 1.5. So we need to move over 0.75. And this one. I've got to get it right. 0.75. Okay. So yeah, I've been swimming. I did a few more. Printed all my shells out. So I don't have to print any more of those shells out. If you know what I'm on about, these things. So I've got 5 lots of them ready now. Right, so anyway. So I've got the right width. Now it's the height we've got to sort out. 77. I reckon it's a little bit bigger than that, so let's just do that while we're here as well. So I've got to go up. It's not a lot though. It's probably not. It's 0.25, so I've got to move this way. 0.125. And I've got to move this way 0.125. Okay, so now I should have 77.25, yeah. Okay, so we've got the exact size we want, I think. Hopefully this cover will be able to fit this cover here, which is the real one, the one you buy. So the next thing I've got to make this bit fit that bit. Anyway, let's just get on it. So we've got this bit we're trying to make at the minute, and we've got this bit that you buy. You buy the whole thing, but I'm trying to make a new box the same size as this, so I can put this with the new one and either stack it up a post like that or sideways, or 4 of them, and each one does a different thing. So this is an RFID reader, then we'll have another one that does maybe a keypad, another one that does a camera, another one that does an audio module, another one that does a screen, but the camera probably will have the screen in it, different kinds of touch screen. Anyway, so you bolt it on in the same fashion with the same hole spacings and everything. Now these are potted, we're not going to pot the ones I'm going to make, so needs to have a back to it, so that the ones, but it needs to have the same shape. So we'll start with the same shape, so when, by looking at it, it looks the same. Anyway, let's get on with that. Alright. And I'll keep going till I get tired. I'm already tired, but not tired enough to go to bed. So anyway, so I need to. So we've got that bit right. So there's something not quite right here. So I've got between there and there. I've got 3.375. Yeah, and on the real thing, the real one. Just trying to measure it. Actually, it's not bad. It is right, about right, 3.375. And from there to the line, I've got about 13.5, I'd say. 13.5. So let's just have a measure from there to there. 14. So there's a problem. So that's right, but that's not right. But there is a bend to it. How can I measure this? It's difficult. Difficult to measure because this is rigid, and it goes around 2 bends. So difficult to do. So I can do it parallel. Anyway, I suppose the best thing to do is to print one and see if it fits, and then it's a waste of plastic. Right. So where have I gone wrong? So if I measure that from there to there, 115 is that's what I've got. And that's the right thing there. So it's got to be right, hasn't it? Let's measure it one more time. Oh, it's difficult to do. 13.5. And what have I got from there to there? I got an extra mil. I haven't even gone to the end yet. So why is that, I wonder? I don't know. It's at 15 mil. Yeah, that's right. Oh, Anyway, shall we just leave it at that? Let's leave it at that. Right, so I've got the bevel. We've managed to bevel it a bit. Yeah, so that's what we've got. So that looks okay. Now we've got to make this thing fit in here. Now what I will have to do, I will probably have to, can I move the whole thing? No, that's there, isn't it? Right, so I need to get rid of, what I need now is the inner dimension here. I could just measure it. Let's just measure it. So I've got 75.25, and I've got over here 68. Oh, that's why it's not quite right. So 68. I need to know, that's the size we're going to go to, 75.250. Let's get it calculator up. I've just forgotten what it was now. I should write these things down. 75.250. 75.250 divided by 2. No, cancel. 75.250 minus, I don't know what it was now. 68 minus 68, and then divide it by 2 equals 3.625. So I've got to go over here, grab these two, move that over 3.625, do the same this end, drag that over 3.625. Okay, so now I can get rid of, yeah, I need to go into here. No, let's come out of there. How are we going to do this? So go into here. Right, I need to get rid of this. Get rid of that. Come out. I need to get get this. Alright, so cut that. Go into that and paste it in place. Okay. Oops, let's get round to this other bit. Right, now I've got to push that through. I think it's 1.5. What happened there? So it's not 1.5 at all, or it's got an extra surface on it. It has got an extra surface on it. Oh. Right, hang on. Oh no, this needs to go up, not down. What am I doing? It needs to go up to fit into there. So it needs to go up 1.25. 1.5, sorry. So that's it. So we're at 1.5, that's good. And we've got this shell, so we're 1.5 there, and we're wasting plastic now. So I need a copy of that underneath. Right, so if I get a copy of that, let's make sure you can hear me. Hello, testing, yes you can hear me. Right. So we're going to copy that, paste it in place, and we're going to move it down somewhere like that, turn it upside down, and we're going to pull it down onto the surface. Yeah. So the reason we're doing this is because we don't want to waste plastic. So then we need to shrink it by 1.5 and then delete the original, and then we need to drop this by 1.5. It's not moving. Why no? Why is it not moving? It'll go up. Ah. Let's pretend it is moving, so go down by 1.5 and delete. What is going on? Undo, erase, undo, push, pull. Hey. I obviously didn't make that part of the model. That's okay, we can do it still. Alright, cut. Paste in place. Alright, now I should be able to do it. Down by 1.5. That's it. Let's have a look at it in 3D. Make sure we haven't done it. So we've got the bulk of the plastic there. We've still got the bit between it. So have a look this way up. So we've got the bit that sticks out, and we've got the bit reclaimed some of the plastic back, and we've still got the strength of it. That's okay. That's alright. Okay. So that's good. So that's what we've got to infill things with. I'll have to put some lugs in here to connect our circuit boards up and stuff. Maybe LEDs, things like that. And that'll be our template to start with. And yeah, that's the right way up. Now I need to put that on top of here and have a look at it. So let's do that then. Right, so that's right, let's try that. So we can grab it by the horns. Grab it by that, for instance. Bring it over to here. Like that. And we need to drop it down. Not sure how far. Let's try 1.5 mil. 1.5. See what that's like. Right, something not quite right. Oh, what's not right? Something not right here. Right, what's not right? Ah, we've got a, yeah, we've gone too far over. So we need to shuffle it over a bit. Shuffle it along a little bit. 0.5 of a mil. See what that's like. So we've gone out. Yeah, there's something wrong here. Ah, we did it that way. We didn't do it that way. So we need to put a couple of layers in there. So bottom and top. There you go. Almost no time required, so that will be the top. No time required to think of a name. So we can turn off the bottom. So our bottom, which one was correct? This one. 59.5. Let's just make sure. Yeah. So that needs to be 59.5. So what have we actually got here? 61. That's the outer size, isn't it? Yeah, that's the outer size. So what we need to do is need to bring what was the other one again? I forgot. 59.5, and we've got 61, so we're 1.5 bigger. 1.5 bigger. Are we alright the other way around? Yeah, we're all okay the other way around, so we just need to just bring the sides in a bit. So, sides in a bit. And they only need to come over 1.5, so 0.75 that side. And this side 0.75. Okay, so we turn that on. Right, not quite sure why it doesn't look right. Does it look right now? No, it's still not right. Something not right. What's not right though? Let's have a look. Alright, so we've got a bit of a gap there going. So if we move that over 0.25, that looks alright now, doesn't it? Yeah, 0.25. Let's have a look. So we've got a gap there. Little tiny gap, little tiny gap. Is there a gap? Or is it bang on? It's probably bang on. Don't need bang on, otherwise I'll struggle to get it in and out. Maybe. Right, looks okay to me. Right. Okay, so that's alright. Save that. Right. So there's something we've got to sort out though, because the clips, these clips here, they've got to sit over a gap. That bit's okay. So let's do. Yeah, there's an indent. So we've got to do the indent now. And all that is so the cover will clip over it. Yeah. Strange. Ooh, starting to get tired now, excuse me. Right. Okay. Oh, there's a little badge to go on as well. Yeah. We might as well have the ID badge in the right place as well. Let's do that now. Right. Let's come out of X-ray mode. Let's have a look at that well. Right, we want our little indent for our little jelly-filled badge. So let's just get the size right. So it's 20. 21 is it? Can't tell. Difficult to tell. 20.5. So 20.5 by 7.5, yeah. So 20.5 by 7.5. Okay, and its distance from the edge is 2.5, no, 3 millimeters. So from the edge, 3 millimeter, and from the other edge, what have we got going on here? Another 3 millimeters. Okay, so we can move that just like that. Okay, get rid of that, and we need to push that into there, so cut it off, paste in place. It's indented, so it needs to be indented. Indented to what degree though? It's not 1 mil. Is it 1 mil? No, it's not 1 mil. Half a mil. Half a millimeter. There you go. Oh, and it's got rounded corners. Does it matter? No, we'll leave it square corners. Yeah, it's almost not rounded, but it is rounded. And you've got an LED. Oh, I don't think we need to put the LED in yet because we don't know what we're doing with it. So we'll leave the LED out of it. Okay. So that's where our badge goes. Yeah, that'll do. Right, now we need to sort out these other bits in the bottom bit. Let's turn off the top bit. This is the bottom bit. Right, okay. So let's go upside down. Let's go over here. Okay, let's go over there then. I got the sniffles after going swimming just now. Oh dear. Don't go swimming in the winter. It's not a good idea. Right. Let's measure that. So I've got try to measure it. 5.25, yeah. No, 5.225, if there's such a thing. Right, let's find the middle, get the calculator up. 5.225 divided by 2, 26125. That's not right. What went wrong there? Oh, yeah, 5225. Yeah, 5225. 52.25 divided by 2, 26.125. 26.125. 26.125. Right. Might as well do this side as well. forgot what it was now. Right. 26.125. Go away, calculator. $26.125. 26.125. Right, and we want the depth. Depth from the edge is, what is it? 10.5. Okay. 10.5. 10.5. Okay, it's so we just got to hollow that out back. Yeah, hollow that out, sort of. It's got a ridge on it. Yeah, so we've got to push that back, so that's going to be awkward. Anyway, we hollow it out to start with. Okay. And this one. Right, so we've got that there. We need to push it in, and it's flush with the top of that. So we get rid of it. Do we get rid of it, or do we use it? That's flat in there, isn't it? I don't know. Almost that wants to be the other side, doesn't it? Okay, let's do it the other side. So I'll get that, and do we copy it? Yeah, copy it to that side there. Right, and we want another one over here, one of them. Copy it to there. Alright, so we've got it the right side now. So I need to bring it out to there so I can hollow it. And what's going on? Oh, I'm not actually in the model. That's not good, is it? Let's get it into the model. Okay. So I shall be able to bring that over like that. Yeah. Now, what am I? So I was measuring the outer bit. Alright, so I need the depth of it now. The depth, this depth. God, that's not, oh yeah, that depth. That depth, 4.5. So 4.5, that needs to come out. Oh, that's total. Total, so that's 1.5. 4.5 less, so it's 3. It's gonna come out 3 mil. 3 mil, and this one 3 mil. And we need to bring the sides out 1.5. 1.5, and this one here. And that's it. 1.5, right. And now we can bring that in 3 mil. No, that's not quite right, is it? Not quite right. So we've got 4.5 and 4.5. Yeah, so 3 mil. Yeah, that is right. So in by 3 mil. That looks good, apart from it's got a sharp edge on it. I'll sort that out in a bit. Okay, so we've got our 3 mil. Got our extra thing there going on. Right, so we've got our 3 mil edge. Yep, and we've got our... Yeah, that looks good. Ah, what's happened here? We've lost our surface. Oh, I see. We've got a floating surface. Why have we got that? In reality, what have we got? Let's have a look. Oh, it's potted, as you can't see. The real one is potted. So we don't know what's going on under there. So we'll forget about that. We'll just fix it. Let's tidy some geometry up. Get rid of a bit of geometry. Construction lines. Alright, so we got rid of some construction lines. Right, now we need to put back... Oh, I've lost it again. So we need that just to carry on. Oh, it's... Yeah, because that hasn't got a size, has it? Yeah, it needs to... What does it need to do? It needs to go down at least... Yeah, it needs to go down 1.5 mil. So if I bring that down 1.5 mil. It'll only let me go that far. Right, so that's not good. Right, so what are we doing? I have no clue. Let's have a look. So we've got this. Right, so that's the surface. Right, that's that surface that side. So we just need to repair it, don't we? But if it can't float. Can't float, so we're gonna have to make it. Let's just bring the lines down to the floor. And that one the same. Okay, we can just do that, I suppose. And we'll have to... Oh, that wasn't right, was it? It won't hurt though. It can stay like that for me. Right, same this side. And this side. Okay, over to there. That's it. So we've fixed it somewhat. Yeah, fixed it. Okay. 3D printing doesn't matter if the geometry's all over the place. It looks a bit weird, I've got to admit, but anyway. Right, let's do the same with this side. A fix is a fix. A fix is a fix is a fix. Okay, so we've got the info we wanted. Yeah. I'm not sure we need that one. What happens if we get rid of it? Nothing, because we don't need it. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Let's get rid of that one, yeah. If we had it straight down, it doesn't matter. Less plastic to print. It doesn't matter. Right, so we should be able to see if this sits inside the other. So we've got our ledges now. We've got our ledges for it to clip into. Okay, so we've got it there. Right, let's switch back on the top. Have a look at it in 3D. Right, are we even close? Have we got any touching edges? We have there. We've got a touching edge there. That's because we had to alter the distance, and now, which is touching? I don't know. Turn off the top. So that one's got to be brought down. So I'll touch. You won't be able to get your lid on. Right, so that's got to come down at least. There's some kind of clearance there as well. Oh, that's exactly the same size as... Oh, is it? Can't tell. Right, so what do we fix first? Let's have a look down long ways wise. I think we better do it in... Right, so go like that. Parallel projection, turn off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Sort of okay that way. It's sort of dead on the size. Needs to be slightly smaller, really. Right, let's have a look down here. Top. It needs to come down at least whatever that is there. 1/2 mil. Okay. Let's move the top. Lose the top. Alright, so we need to shove the whole thing down 1/2 mil. It looks actually 1/2 mil too wide at the front anyway. Can we do it just by grabbing that? Will that allow us to... What's that doing? Can I do it that way? Right, these aren't... Okay, so I'm going to have to grab that. No, I don't want that, I just want the lines. That, and the front edge. Is that a lot? Yeah, that's the lot. I'll need to go down by 0.5. It's wrecked the geometry. Because that's not moved. That's what happens when you change that. Damn it. I've already made that part of it. So I should have got this right before I put those extra bits in. Okay. So if it's too much trouble to do it that way, what about altering the other side then to match? Okay, so if we don't do it there. What about if we raise this one? Raise the cover. Make the... oh no, I don't know. It's gonna be a bit of a nightmare. The whole thing's a bit of a nightmare. I want one to be... Alright, so I know the cover's about right. The cover's... no, the cover's not right, is it? I don't know what's right and what's wrong here. How are we going to do this? It's difficult to see. Yeah, if I alter this, I've got to alter all that as well. All it is that, oh, I can just draw it, can't I? But then I've got to alter this bit. Unless I put a line across here. No, I don't know. Yeah, it's not right. So that one was set in stone. That's the one I designed first, so that's set. And then the other bit just sits underneath it. If we're in X-ray mode, they just clip underneath. Yeah, they clip underneath the case. I don't know. So it's 1/2 mm 2i, the bottom pieces. So move the top. But the trouble is, it contains all this geometry already. So I'd have to mend that again. I'll be trying to press it together and it won't fit because it's in the way. So what can I do? Hide the top. The top's going to stay as it is. We've hidden the top. And we want this to be... Does it matter if it's got a bend in it? Not really. Still going to snap on because that'll be in the same place. So do I just put a line down there? I'll tell you what, I could bevel that anyway. Let's do that. Let's stick a bevel on it. 1.5. That's not going to be enough though. No, that's not going to be enough. Three mil. Let's just say 3 mil. Okay, let's put a line at 3 mil. Need to go back to this one and end on. I've got a 3 mil line. If I switch the cover on, is it going to be enough? Yeah, it might just be enough that. Yeah, might. Okay. Might just be enough, so let's do that. Just put a line down it. Three mil. So we got 3 mil, 3 mil. Let's stick a line down it. And the problem we got now, we're not in the model, but I'll get into the model in a minute. Oh, that's not going to work, is it? It's right through a hole. Okay. I wonder if I could select that and then, yeah, might be able to select that. Tell you what, let's go parallel, end on. Yeah, I forgot I could do this, so I'll do that. So I've got that. Yeah. And I need to lose that and that and that, lose that. I need to lose that and that and that. And I need to lose that and that and that and I've done it wrong now. Right, let's try a different way. So I need to get, I want that and that, and don't need that. Yes, I do, don't I? Yeah. That. Oh my god. This is awful. Painstaking. And the surface, is that it? Is that all I need? Yeah, maybe. And then I need to, no, I can only do angles, so I need a tape measure from there down of 0.5 mil, and I need to get the angle there and drop it. It's not going to snap to it. No, it's not going to work, is it? Alright, so go from there. Okay, so I need to go from there down to there and drop it down to, and it's all going to shit. Gold. Oh my god. Spent all day doing this. Why can't I just bend that down? Why can't I just select that there and just drag it down? Why can't I? look what it's done. Right, so what do we do? Draw on the inside of it. Help! 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 Get the violin out. Right, what am I gonna do? Okay, I'll do it the other way. Alright, 0.5. I'll go from there to there. Then I'll go from there to there. Let's hide the bottom. Cannot hide the layer on. Right, if I go from there to there. Yeah. So I got from there to there. And we're gonna have a problem here in a minute. Oh god, I'm trying to do it without undoing a load of work. I thought there would be an easy way of doing this. A shortcut. This is what happens if you make a mistake at the start all the way through. It's almost there, almost, but can't progress without correcting it so it won't fit together. Because that blooming thing there, that's why. Just let make you go insane, this would. Doesn't look right anyway, does it? So, okay, how about if I do it a different way? It's only this bit we want to change. What do I, if I take that off there, what's going to happen? It's going to wreck it all. Oh my god. This is why it takes hours to do anything. It's doing it the wrong way, and I should be on a subscription model to Autodesk Fusion 360. That's what I should be on. Just give them the money. You still got to know how to use the tool though. Give them my money. Why is that grey? Why has that suddenly gone to grey? What's going on here? Can't even select it. Oh. It's not in the model, that's why. Right, let's have a look at it now. So that's sticking up there. But would it go under the cover? Look at this, geometry is everywhere, bits of geometry. Right. Okay. Right, top. I need to be in X-ray mode. That doesn't look any better to me. Still a problem, isn't it? Still a problem. Am I looking at the wrong end? Oh, I give up. I'll give up. I just really give up, you know. Oh God. You can't have what you want. Sometimes you have to give up. I hate giving up. Why is it people can get help all around the world? There's no end of people who'd want to help out. I don't get no such luck. I never get any offers like that. Oh well. Alright, I'll have to just whatever, don't know. Start again. Make sure I don't make a mistake. Start again without a mistake, but you're gonna make a mistake. So what is right about it? So we know that's the right size. We know that's all wrecked now, isn't it? I need to do some undoing. Put it back to a known state at least. Is it back at a known state? I think it is. So we put the window in at least. So this morning's stream was a waste of time. I didn't stream this afternoon. I made this up from nothing again. I started streaming this evening. That was a waste of time as well. Right, anyway. Never mind, eh? Never mind. Well, I'm going to watch a film now. I've had enough of it. How long have I been going? An hour. That'll do. So, it's just one of those things that's going to have to be done again. Alright. Never mind, eh? Right. That's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching. And have a good one. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.
Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again.
very complicated. Music is simpler.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation.
That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say. No good deed goes unpunished.